How to study with ChatGPT. So I have some biology notes right here on a cell theory. I'm going to copy these notes and then I will paste it on ChatGPT. And then you want to give, first things first, give a clear prompt. So when you want, for example, it to summarize for you, you can use it for summary. That's one. So let's do this. For me, summarize the below notes for me and give them to me in short points. Okay, here we go. This is going to summarize these notes. So cell theory, boom, easy notes to the point, brief, can easily memorize these. What you want to do with ChatGPT, you want to use natural language. Do not use overly complicated language and giving it prompts. It's not going to understand you. You want to be patient with it as well. Sometimes when you ask it questions, it will sometimes it will make mistakes. So what you want to do is ask it to cite sources. Then you want to experiment, okay? So what I can do here is I can tell ChatGPT, make a catchy song to help me memorize this, okay? And then ChatGPT will make a catchy song for you. Here we go. So you can easily, oh wow, this is actually good. All living things are made of cells, from tiny bugs to ocean swells. New cells come from ones before. This is a good song you can use to memorize, okay? Can memorize information. And if you want writing advice, right? If you want advice on your homework assignment or essay, and you're not sure about the quality of your writing, you can paste it into ChatGPT and ask it for writing advice. Let me show you. So for example, I got a poem right here and I pasted it in ChatGPT. So I told it, please advise me on the quality of my poem and how I could improve it. Okay. Enter this prompt and let's see what ChatGPT goes ahead and gives you. Okay, this one has a strength. There's repetition. Okay. And they also give you suggestions for improvement, right? And you can also go ahead and test your knowledge. So let me go back to this one. I can ask it to create practice questions. Okay, let me show you. So create me practice questions one by one and give me the answer after I try to answer it. Let's start. Okay, let's see how this does. Okay, I don't want the voice mode. So here we go. This is the first question. What are the 4 main points of the modern cell theory? I'll just answer 3. And let's see what ChatGPT tells me. Almost there. And here's the complete answer. As you can see, it gave me the last part. Am I ready for the next question? Yes, sir, I am. Okay. That's another way. Another thing you can do is you can use it to get inspiration. So for example, if you are stuck on what you want to write your essay on, you can give an overview of the concepts you can write about, and you can ask for maybe top 10 interesting ideas. Let me show you how to do this. Okay. See, go ahead and be really simple with it. I have to write an essay about pets. I need about 10 interesting ideas, and it also gave you a little bit of back information and give you a little bit more details on how you can bring this to life, these titles to life, okay? And what you can also do is you can use ChatGPT to create a study plan. So you give ChatGPT the exact dates your exam starts, your semester dates, your subjects you want to study, and you want to point out the subject you need most time for, and then it will create your full-on study plan. Let me show you. All right, here we go. This is my prompt. Create me a study plan for my below exam timetable. Today is January the 18th. Okay, you want to make sure you add a colon after your prompt ends, so it knows everything after this is the information you're feeding it. I'm going to press here to go ahead and let it generate. Okay, here we go, guys. This is the study plan it's giving me. Complete breakdown of details week by week until my exam dates. Really easy and simple. Of course, you can use it for note taking and exam preparation, where it can help you review and reinforce key concepts for exam preparation. So you identify areas you need to focus on. You can ask ChatGPT to generate questions or prompts related to that topic. So come here. So here we go. I did a prompt. I am really weak in the nervous system topic in biology. Help create me study notes. And here we go. Detailed study notes. And once you read these guys, you should be completely fine in that topic. And if you want, you can also use ChatGPT to go ahead and check your homework. So if you have homework, you can go ahead and paste the questions and answers right here, and they will check if you have done everything correctly. And it's really that easy and powerful.